guys, it's Jody again. I do apologize for this video. Let me just start off by that. I hate when the videos kind of shortened version like this. I had a new phone and I didn't realize the way I propped it up it was doing this angle, so please bear with me. Feel free to yell at me in the comments and just tell me whatever you feel and this and that, but just bear with me for this one quick video. That's why I went ahead and did a fast forward on it. Anyway, so we are making beets, and what I did is I boiled them in the beginning just like a baked potato. And when you are doing that, you'll notice how smooth those skins come off. They just will peel off in your hands. So you throw it in there and bring the pot to a boil. Poke it with a fork when their fork will somewhat go through, but not all the way. You know, it's tender enough. And then what I did is I blanched it into some ice water right away. Threw it in an ice bath and then just let it just peel right off. And roots and all. So we were able to get all those roots, everything right off of it. When you're done with that process, you want to go ahead and bring it on over, start cutting them up. Now, I didn't quite care how big the beets were because I was cutting them all into kind of bite size for my favorite. My family doesn't really care for beets. It's one of my loves, and I will eat them all the time. I still have some jars from 2018 that I recently found, and they are delicious. So again, I don't really care about the size of the beets when I'm buying them. I got these at our local farmers market and or our local farmers out in the county and stuff. So anyways, I got those there, boiled them up, chopped them up, and I just want them all in the bite sizes that I like. Then we're going to go ahead and can them. One thing I do want to note, when you are chopping them up, hang on to them pretty good because they are slippery. Wear your gloves because this beet dye will turn everything red. So wear your gloves, be careful, they're slippery. And then do your basic 101s. You want to put the poker in there and make sure you have no air bubbles. You want to debubble it. Make your brine ahead of time so you have the brine for however recipe you like. I like to put onions in it. That's what those are, some baby onions. I just feel that they give a nice little crunch and some good flavor in there. So again, with your brine, some people like it with cinnamon sticks. Some people prefer not to use the cinnamon sticks. It's basically going to be your preference at that point. I will look at my recipe and add it in the links below so you know which one I do. But again, it's going to be a personal preference as to what flavor you like when you are doing the beets. And again, I apologize for this video being sideways like this. Things like that just always drive me crazy. So I apologize. I appreciate you sticking with me while I am recording this with my new camera, my new phone, and I'm hoping that with this new phone I will be able to learn more and get it the way that we need to do it. I've used the GoPro, but sometimes I don't like the voices on there, so I'm trying to go back and forth. If you have a preference over a GoPro or a video phone, let me know. This is the Ultra 22, so far I've really liked it when I know how to put it up the right way. We also recently got some 4 jars lid. They work great. Watch it, that does get hot. So I was trying to figure out how to get that open, and I just used the smaller end. Flip it over. Oh boy. This is not what I wanted to see. One of them popped open or something. So Well, that sucks. Let's see what we got. I don't know if you could see that. Busted out.
Did it?
Yeah, everything's gone.
Everything?
Well, in that one jar. I don't know what happened.
Don't know.
What kind of jar is this? Oh, well, it is a ball.
Yeah. Don't know. Must have had a crack.
Dang it.
Just let it cool down, and you can leave the other jars in there for now.
Yep, just clean break. A clean break right there. All right, so we had 5 jars. We're down to 4. I don't know if you can see. That was a clean break right there. The lid stayed, but yep. That's a bummer. And if you see inside there, here's all my beets floating around. What we did, these are just empty jars in here that we put inside just so they wouldn't tip over.